Hey YouTube, I got a request for this Pavement song. It's called Harness Your Hopes. Don't harness your hopes on one person. That's the intro, something like that. You know, Pavement is very loose. They play very loose, and so if you're playing Pavement songs, you know, don't be too worried about complete accuracy. So that's D minor, A minor, E. Then it goes back to a D minor, I think. And then it goes after that D minor goes A minor, E, A minor, goes A minor to E a bunch of times, and then E to A major, and that's when the song begins. So that's just the verse is just the A. Well, I think we go from the intro. We're on A, and then it goes da 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 da, and then so it's like a quick 1-2, and then followed by a 1-2-3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, that's the verses. And then let's see if I can remember the chorus. Okay, so the chorus starts on A, just like the verse, but then it goes to B. So it's like goes D, F sharp minor to A. The chorus, that's it. And then I think there's only one other part. There's a small bridge. It's kind of a funky bridge. Bridge is it's the last lyrics in the whole song. See, I think like the lyrics are like, you know, some kind of like dating advice or something. Alright, so the first, the bridge is at the end of the song, before the guitar solo, and the first part of it is just all E. Heartbreaking, earthquaking, something, something, Then it goes D, A, B, E, then D, A. So yeah, the second part, B, E, D, A. Except the second D, A is a D7. So D, A, D major, A major, B, E, D, A, and then it just goes into the and the whole solo's It's mostly played on open strings and just like walk ups and walk downs, like. Something like that. I wouldn't get too worried about accuracy. Like I said, you want to have a real loose feel. Alright, which is perfect for me. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.